welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to this stuff for my Apple Watch. I ordered it on Amazon. So we're gonna see what is in here. Okay. Ay, naku, Diyos ko. It came with this one. It said, oh, this is the name. Look at that. So this one. So,
yep.
Look.
Oh yeah.
I got this one.
You can see it now,
I just it's so bright. What is this one? It's a charger for my Apple Watch.
That's what I'm saying. They're not even testing you guys.
It's a
Abbott's testing us.
how to do this? How come it's too bright? It's a portable Apple Watch charger. And I got this one, this band. Oh. What? Yeah. It's from China. So now I'm gonna do this. Why is it too bright? So this one is, it came with charger, of course, and this is the one you can put in your keychain or your bag, purse, or wallet or something. I can bring it with me if I'm going somewhere else because I need it for my Apple Watch all the time. And this one is the regular one. It's not Apple Watch charger, it's a Samsung or something. What kind of charger is this? And I got the, can you go and get my Apple Watch, please? It's up top. And I was asking my daughter to go and get my Apple Watch. And I got this one. Look at this band for my Apple Watch. It's on the bottom, and it came with the screen protector and the guard. Ooh, this is cool. So this one is magnetic, so you can do it like this. Just hang on, I'll show it to you later. I'll show you in a few because I'm waiting for my daughter to get my Apple Watch. Oh, this one is like, okay. This one, it can snap in like a magnetic one. There you go, see? This is like a magnet. This is magnetic. You can set it like how loose do you want or how tight do you want with it. Okay, and this is the face, screen protector, and a bumper. And I like this one. You gotta try and buy this one. I saw the review online and a lot of people said this is so good. So here's my Apple Watch right now. So I gotta do, I don't know, gotta try. So this is magnetic one. That's the charger. It will hold like that. And hang on. So this is gonna go in here. Look, I wanna see. This is so flexible. I'm gonna put it. How to put this one?
I don't know, something like that. 20 something an hour. It's like 20. It's 20 plus an hour. I know that. It's only 20
Okay.
an hour.
Wow.
And you're a temporary admin employee, and you get them.
That's gonna be looks like that. So there is it. beautiful.